How to fix AEG washing machine E40 error code. So the error code means there is a door lock problem. The machine detects the door isn't properly closed or locked, and this prevents the cycle from starting. So here's how you can fix it. First off, check and close the door properly. So ensure the door is fully closed. Open it wide and then push firmly until you can hear your uh, washing machine click. And then that means the lock has been engaged. Give it a gentle tug to confirm that it is actually secure, and you can now start a new cycle. And then you can also inspect for obstructions. So basically, check your laundry or your items between the door, that's the door here, and the rubber seal, and also the glass frame, and remove any trapped clothes, lint, or debris, and then wipe the seal clean with a damp cloth to remove soap residue or buildup that could interfere with closing this. So try to check for any buildup on the seals or any part of the washer itself, and then also try to reduce the load. So if your washer is overloaded, the door may not lock properly, so remove your laundry to lighten the load. Close the door again and then test it, and also disable the child lock if it's active. It's a specific button that you can check on your model manual, so you'll find it there, and then you can just easily turn it off. All right, and then last but not least, reset and test. So go ahead and plug your washer back in and press on the power and select a short cycle, and it should run properly.